Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are an AliExpress shopper and you might sometime need help or have a question, so live chatting with customer service can be very helpful. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to live chat on AliExpress using your smartphone. Let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and head over to your preferred web browser. On the browser, navigate to AliExpress website. After you are in the website, make sure you are already logged in with your account. In this home page, here you can see the profile icon at the top right. Tap on it. Once you are in the profile page, scroll down a little bit and here you can see the option Help Center. Tap on it. In this page, you can see the option Online Service. Tap on it. Now you will be prompted to the Customer Service Representative's page. Here you can get answers for your general questions. If you want to chat with the live agent, here you need to select this option, Chat with Agent Now. So tap on it. Now you will be redirected to chat with the live customer service agent. Here you can type your message and queries in the chat box and a live agent will answer your questions. So you can continue the conversation until your issue is resolved or your question is answered. And once you are done, you can end the chat by tapping the End Chat button. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to live chat on AliExpress using your smartphone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.